one thing I wanted to do is just sort of set the stage a little. We know that about 1 in 10 Americans have a rare disease, and half of them are children. But today we can completely avoid the long, burdensome diagnostic journey that far too many of these patients are facing with exome and genome testing, which we know today can give answers to patients and providers in a matter of days. And so genomic insights really helps us accelerate the path to treatment for patients. It can often stop disease progression when we have those answers soon and can help lead to better outcomes. Like for example, we were talking to a family who has a child that was on an over 17-year diagnostic journey with epilepsy. Started off with some, early symptoms of some developmental delays. The clinicians took a wait and see approach and were kind of seeing how things progressed. And then the child started having really severe epilepsy, which led to many hospitalizations, trials of numerous medications, invasive procedures to try to figure out what was going on. And it wasn't until the patient was almost 20 years old that they got that diagnosis through whole exome sequencing. And so, our mission is really how can we reduce that diagnostic odyssey for patients so they don't have to go through all of those unnecessary, burdens, procedures, which is also a burden to the healthcare system as well.
And our journey as a laboratory that diagnoses rare disease really started 25 years ago with the mapping of the human genome at NIH. So we spun out of NIH, and today we still have a CLIA and CAP New York State licensed laboratory in Gaithersburg, Maryland, but we accept samples from all over the world, including from Canada. So we're happy to be talking to your Canadian audience as well today. And since we've been doing this for so long, we actually have what we believe to be the world's largest database of diverse clinical genomes and exomes. And we know because we've seen it firsthand in helping families end this diagnostic odyssey over the last 25 years that it really makes a difference, and it really makes for improvement for families as well as efficient healthcare system. And not only are we great at sequencing, but we have a trusted team. We have over 100 PhDs and scientists like Britt that are leading the way. We've got 150 genetic counselors. A lot of our scientists are ACMG fellows, and in an independent survey of clinicians that order genetic testing, over 90% of them prefer our approach to diagnostic sequencing.